Today we're at our King's Cross concrete plant in the centre of London, operating about 100-150 trucks a day out of there. A very busy plant for us. Our drivers start early in the morning, they arrive, do their checks, get out on the road as quick as possible and out into the busy traffic in London, and it is a very difficult, challenging environment that they work in.
My name is Paul Banu. I am an owner driver working exclusively for Tarmac. First time when I drove it, it was really eye-opening because you can see how much they improve the vision towards the congestion and busy streets that we have in London.
The high visibility cab is a great aid for the driver and a real key feature, enabling him to get eye contact with pedestrians and vulnerable road users at all times.
At the stoplight you don't need to go up and check if someone is there like on the other trucks. Here you have a see-through door which helps you see 100% if someone is there or not.
The Econic has great off-road and on-road capabilities, which gives us great flexibility when we're delivering to our customers.
Once you get to a delivery site, you can lift the cab up and drive it off-road, and after you finish you can just lower it down on driving position and you have the normal visibility. That is very good.
So one of the key features that's important to us is the low entry cab, and the access is really good for the drivers. The fact that they can walk through the cab and get out on both sides, sometimes in a tight environment, is a real benefit.
The camera system for the Econic are useful because it helps you when you reverse or when you turn left or right.
Another key feature of the Mercedes-Benz Econic is the active brake assist, which in a dynamic environment like London where they're operating is really useful as a driver aid.
I can say it's enjoyable to drive the Econic. It's less stressful, and at the end of the day you don't really realize that you had a hard day.
Over the coming years, the key challenges for us in the industry will be the direct vision standard as it spreads across the country and the clean air challenges across the cities. Clocks is a really important industry-led standard. The Econic helps us meet the standards with its high standard of cameras, sensors and all-round vision. We've been working with S&B for over 12 months now, and we've had a really strong relationship and some great support from them. Tarmac currently has 20 Mercedes-Benz Econics on the fleet, and we're looking to expand that in the next 12 months. Some of our customers are now starting to specify the Econic as a vehicle that they want us to deliver on because they recognise the safety benefits that it brings.